Tahoma can be equipped with various device types. Let's configure devices we retrieved before. In the System tab, find Main tab's item. Find user customizable ones and change their types, names, and icons. In our case, we also want to see shades and openings and outlets with matching icons. Lights are present in default. If you don't have layout, you need to create it. For our case, we make new level inside virtual structure and create lights, openings, shades, and outlets areas for demonstrative purposes. To see our previously created tabs as layouts, we need to assign areas to them. In Interface tab, find your screen and assign each area to corresponding layout. On screen, our layout is visible, but we need to assign devices to them. In Lighting, find Tahoma Cloud. Firstly, we assign shade. Our first shade is RTS type, which not allow feedback, so we use Simple Shade for device class. Then choose correct location and change display name. Second one is IO type with feedback device class is shade. This one is also capable of slat tiling, which is shown as separate shade and allows us to control tiling separately. Last one is IO awning. Assign the necessary, and we can check UI if shades devices are present. Openings are represented by two Somfy motors, RTS Elixo Gate Opener and also RTS Dexo Garage Opener. Simple Shade as device class for both of them. As location, we use openings. And now we are able to control them from UI2. Both I/O lights will be set as light device class, location set to light. Lights are available now from UI, and we can dim and turn on and off. Last device connected to Tahoma is Zigbee socket. To be able to operate it, we need to set device class to light and location to outlets. Now we can turn on charger connected to outlet. Thank you for watching. For more information and expert support, visit hopsoft.com.au or contact us at support@hopsoft.com.au. We're here to help you every step of the way.